My fellow country people, I dey greet all of una. Anywhere where you dey hear the sound of my voice, I greet you. I say make we use this opportunity for this program, make we come talk about the worst governor in Nigeria. Because every year they represent to us best governor of the year, best governors of the season, best governor here, best governor there. But nobody won't talk about the worst governor and why they be worst governor. Now make we bring up this program, say make we come discuss, really tell ourselves the truth. Who be the worst governor in Nigeria? Because a man wey know where he mate from Passan, now him go say make him try buckle up. Who be the worst governor in Nigeria? Everybody is entitled to their own opinion. You can post on the comment section if you believe say that this person be the worst governor of the year. Make you post on there. If you no believe, say you get another person where you dey look say now be the worst governor of the year, make you post on there. But for this program, make you hear me out. Make you listen carefully. Make una subscribe to this YouTube channel so that una go dey follow our update and discussions. Make we come dey name the worst governors of the year. Before we proceed, my name na Sir Wedson Henry Chukwudi, the president of the United People of Nigeria Worldwide Initiative. This initiative will believe say Nigeria go better again. We believe say Nigerian patriots need to come together. Make we fix this country for once. This country na our country. Wetin dey happen for this country na we dey suffer am. Make we rise up together. Make we call spade a spade. Make we fix our problem. If we no fix our problem, nobody go fix am for us. Now I make this initiative say Nigerians, make we unite. Regardless of your tribe and religion, make we unite. My people, for this program, we don't send our spies. May they go check out, bring information to us, the worst governor of Nigeria, or the worst governor in Nigeria recently. My brother, after many cross-checking, the worst governor in Nigeria come be saying na the person of Governor Samuel Ortom of Benue State. Governor Samuel Ortom na him be the worst governor wey me I don't see, wey Nigeria don't ever experience. His leadership na bad one, his decisions na bad one, his policy na bad one. Everything wey this man do na bad one. No only mouth he gets. How person go be governor for a state between 2017 till date? My people, for Benue State, people wey they call killer Fulani herdsmen don kill more than 10,000 of his own citizens. People wey they lead over, people wey they guide, more than 10,000 under the leadership of Governor Samuel Ortom. Guess what? Till today, this governor na so much today. Every time he dey for media, he dey criticize Buhari, he dey criticize this, he dey talk this, he dey talk that. My question be say, when this man go rise up, take responsibility and stop talking? Abi, if this man stand up, command the people, equip the people with weapons, say make they fight against their enemy, na bad thing? Every state they come up with security outfit. This man never sit down make him come out with one security outfit. For every media you go hear they kill 50 Benue citizens. The indigenous people of Benue, they kill 50. After you go here, they kill 30. After here, you go kill, they kill 26. After you go here, they kill 100 and something. After, for one state. And the governor, they busy. They for media, they talk about Buhari. No be madness be that. The governor of Benue deserve death. The governor of Benue no deserve to live. This man supposed to put himself together, ask himself question. How e be say the people wey vote for you, people wey put you for power, you dey watch them before your eyes, they kill them every day, every day. We don't see for news how they kill Benue people, but yet we never see one day main newspaper carry say Fulani herdsmen, the ones where they kill person for inside, attack Benue and the Benue people kill them. Shame on the governor. My people, you know, say now where did they get worst governor? We go still talk about people will be the worst people for Nigeria. Make we quickly touch that area small. The worst people for Nigeria, the worst people, now Benue people. The worst people who I don't see for Nigeria, now Benues. They did different stations, they did different countries, they did different states, they make news. And their people, they die. If Benue people don't tire to defend their land, may they come up for Fulani people there. May Fulani take over that land. Then if now Benues get Benue land, may they return back to their land. Anywhere where they did, Benue people go back to Benue and fight this fight once and for all. They kill it done too much. Benue people, go back to Benue states and fight for your land. Make we still here say Fulani people attack una kill Fulani people. They don't kill una too much. Now make una be the worst people for Nigeria. Fellow Nigerians, brothers and sisters, we go end this video for here. For those people who get wetin they want talk, I beg go for the comment section. Make your own comments. Because me, the thing they provoke me when we say, I never see governor we say be governor where he get heart of his people. You go to watch his people, they go to kill them every time. Every newspaper where you open, every week newspaper where you open, you must hear say they don't kill 50. You must hear say they don't kill 20. You must see, if they don't kill at all, they don't kill 5. Many Catholic priests don't die for that state. My people, now make we say Benue State governor Samuel Otom now be the worst governor and most useless governor where Nigeria don't ever produce. And citizens, when it comes to Nigeria at large, Benue people now they be the one of the worst people, very useless people, very idiotic people, very people where you know the reason, cowards. Now Benue people, Benue, anybody from Benue, make you wake up. The time don't reach where we say every Benue citizen need to they talk now. They talk and call your people. Make una go back to Benue and defend your land. If na cutlass, carry cutlass. Oje, she go and do fortify yourself. Go and fortify yourself. People don't to die for your country, for your own state. I mean, sorry to say, the thing they provoke me. People don't to die for your state. The death where they happen for Benue, they provoke the whole Nigeria. My people, make we tell the truth and make we call spade a spade. I beg, if now this now your first time to watch our video, make you try. Click on the subscribe button. Make you subscribe so that when videos of worst governors are mentioned, you go to hear. We won't start to talk state by state. Waiting they happen for state by state. We won't start to analyze them. Make we they ask ourselves question, make we they understand. So people will place their comment for this video. Next video, we go try make we bring their comment up. Make people hear what people they talk and make people lend their own voice. May God bless all Nigerians. Make we unite and make our country great. Nigeria and our own. Now make this initiative say, make we come together. For those of our way never join our WhatsApp, our Facebook to discuss, make you use this opportunity. Go for Facebook, click my name, Sir Wedson Henry Chukwudi. Make you join our chat forum so that you will feed it, you know, the update. And for those of our way never join our WhatsApp group, make una try. Use this number, join our WhatsApp group or reach me for discussion. Plus 601 82 822 884. Make una join us for discussion and God go bless everybody. Time don't reach. Nigerians will not go keep silent. Everybody go talk. May God bless you now. Anywhere where you did, make you talk.